So in this video, we're going to look at a couple more examples of integer subtraction. So more integer subtraction. And so just like in the last video, remember we're always going to be adding the opposite when we're subtracting. So for example, if I had 3 minus negative 4. So again, here's the subtraction sign. So we're going to turn the problem into an addition problem, but we're adding the opposite of negative 4. So the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. And then 3 plus 4 turns out to be 7. So here's another example. I have negative 4 minus negative 1. So again, here's that subtraction sign. So we're going to be turning it into adding. We're going to turn the subtraction sign into addition. We're going to add the opposite of negative 1. And the opposite of negative 1 is positive 1. So it's going to become negative 4 plus a positive 1. To add these together, we want to notice that I have a negative and I have a positive, so I have opposite signs. So we're going to look at 4 and 1. We're going to take 4 minus 1, which would give us 3. 4 was the bigger number, 4 was negative, so my final answer here is going to be negative 3. So just like before, the important thing to remember is that subtracting integers is adding the opposite. And the other thing to remember is that, again, you don't have to do any of this by hand. You can punch it into your calculator. Just be careful to make sure to, if the problem has a parenthesis, to put that parenthesis in your calculator.